Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a R1T Rivian, well just Rivian accessory that you may need if you charge outside of your house or away from your home a lot. We are looking at the BESTEVMOD Charge Port Rain Snow Weather Protection Cover. So let's dive into it. So first impressions are important. I have to say that the BESTEVMOD cover right out of the box seems durable and it's made of sturdy material and it feels like it's going to do a really nice job for a long time. The design is sleek and it fits perfectly over the charge port, and at a $29.99 cost point, I would say it's a pretty minimal investment if you're concerned about having to charge, out in the world in the elements, whether that be snow, rain, or whatever that is. This is a perfect little addition to slide over while you're charging outside. Installing the cover is a breeze. It simply snaps into place and you can feel confident that your charge port is protected from the rain, snow, dust, and other elements that could potentially cause damage. As you can see from the side-by-side comparison, the cover does a fantastic job of shielding the charge port. This not only protects your vehicle's electrical components, but also gives you peace of mind knowing that your charging experience won't be compromised. So one thing I will say, if you charge mostly at home or in a protected area, this isn't something I would go and spend $30 on, but if you're constantly having to charge out in the public network and you're worried about rain, snow elements getting into the charging area or affecting your charging area, then this is such an easy solution. And for $30, you can store it anywhere in your vehicle and not have to worry about that. So whether you're parked outdoors, at home, on a camping trip, or exploring off-grid locations, having the BESTEVMOD Charge Port Rain and Snow Cover Protector is a game changer. It's a small investment that goes a long way in safeguarding your electric vehicle's charging capabilities. In conclusion, I recommend this BESTEVMOD Charge Port Rain and Snow Cover Protector for the Rivian R1T owners. I would say once again though, if you are only charging at home or you're charging under a protected area, whether that be a garage or over a carport or something, not necessarily something you would need. But if you're concerned about when you travel that you don't want to have that, that risk, then it's certainly something you could throw into your vehicle. Once again, I want to thank you for watching. If you are into Rivian accessories, you can check out this video here, which I will cover the mud guards from the BESTEVMOD company. They sent me those as well, and I got to trial them and put them through the rain. I wouldn't say mud, put them through the rain. So check out that video here, and we will see you on the next one.